Good morning. I think, yeah, 2nd of January now. We stopped here last night. We arrived in the thick fog. I don't think we filmed anything after we left Pitlochry, but we're only just up the way. We came up the steep a bit. We were on our own to start off with, and then we got some neighbours a little later on, about 9:30ish. We didn't know at the time, but we're parked right next to the electrical station. I think that's the main feed off the hydro, because there is a hydro plant just down the way here on the dam. And I believe there's some waterfalls just down there, and there's a little path. But the view this way and around is absolutely gorgeous this morning. You can see. And yeah, someone set up the little bird feeders just in the tree here. And there's loads of birds been on and off this morning. It's really quite lovely. Just waiting on Shell. I think we'll put Freya back in for this one and then wander down and see the falls. And then we're going to head up to, I think it's Loch Tummel, up the way there, and have a look around there before we head back. He wants to find some more snow before we start the journey home, so we'll head back to find snow, or we'll head up to find snow. We'll head higher because it said it was snowing last night all around the Cairngorms, so we'll head up to find snow, and then he can have another play before we start to journey home. Shh, robot. I think it's just here from what I can see. I've not been down the path. No, there's a path right here, and there's waterfalls right there. The Iron Bridge. The Iron Bridge existed, we just weren't going the right way. Well, let's see if we're going the right way. This way, Maximus. Robot can't stand there. Come on, Maximus. Do you want me to help you? You should have brought the walking stick, Shell.
One whale swim in the sea. How many mammals swim in the sea?
Okay. Just watch the routes here. Oh, don't push me down. You've got to take your own balance as well. Watch these leaves. The leaves will be slippy just at the end. For the old rock tripod and 2 exposures, one for the sky and one for the waterfall. Was it a bit chilly, that one, love?
Oh, don't think so.
Just be careful, it doesn't look like there's a way down there. No, she's in again. She can't help herself, it's freezing and she's in. No, it's a bit too cold for you. I wouldn't want to be going in. We've come back up to give it one more go for snow, fresh snow. It did say it was going to snow tonight on the weather yesterday up Cairngorm, but it looks pretty clear. There's some cloud rolling in over that side. There's not as many people here tonight. It's still quite chilly. There's that bite to the air. The tops look like they've had a dusting, but nothing more, so we'll have to see what tonight brings, but at the moment it looks pretty clear. He's just set up there and there's still a last bit of light in the sky, if you can see it. Shell's doing Maximus's tea. Where are we? Right, let's come down a bit. It's very pretty. There's still a little bit of light in the sky. I think I've missed the best of it though. We saw the best of it driving up. So yeah, he said he wants to play in the snow in the morning, so snow, and then he wants to throw stones. So we'll head on down to the Lochs again. Just getting a shot of Avimore with the cloud over the top of it. So this will probably be our last night in the Highlands. Yeah, so Shell wants to head back down for getting the decks down. She's a bit superstitious like that, so she wants to be back down before 12th night. So that, depending on how you look at it, will be the 6th or the 7th. We'll err on the side of caution and probably go for the 6th. That's nice. So we'll drive back down. So yeah, this will probably be the last night in the Highlands. Oh, that's nice now, a bit of light. Let's just try and get... I quite like that. It's just the fence. The fence running down and through. I'm not going to get it all in focus though. So, that, as they say, will be that for here. But it's a lovely evening. It is proper fresh out here. It's proper chilly now. But I quite like it. If we don't see snow, I'd like to see Northern Lights. That really would be a good one. I don't know what the chances are up here. You never know though. There's some drift of cloud coming across. There's still light over the back, but I've missed the best of it on the tops. Right, unless anything super happens, I'll say goodnight and we'll go and get the van ready for overnight, and we'll see you in the morning.